What is up, internet? I'm back with another video, and in today's video, I'll be explaining what is Hacktober and how you can participate in Hacktoberfest 2021. Before we start the video, I would like to request you to please consider subscribing to my channel because I keep making videos just like this. And without further ado, let's get started. So Hacktoberfest is a month-long fest which allows you to contribute to open source projects from worldwide, and you need to make four pull requests to repositories. They can be same repository or they can be different repositories, whichever you like. You need to make four valid pull requests in order to get a chance of winning a t-shirt, or you can also opt for planting a tree. Like you will need to choose that option, and they will plant a tree on behalf of you. So that's basically it. Last year they had provided me with this shirt. I had participated in last year's Hacktober as well. So this was the shirt, and these were some stickers that came with it, with a small letter kind of thing. And this year, the registrations have been started on 28th September, and this year is the eighth iteration of Hacktoberfest. It is the biggest fest for open source contribution in the world. And this year they are giving away 50K t-shirts, I think, if I'm not wrong. So, if you haven't registered already, you will not see a profile page like this. You will see something like this where you need to register. This link will be in my description, in the description box, and you need to just scroll down and click on sign up with GitHub, and there you'll be prompted to log into your GitHub account, just like this. You have to give your GitHub account username and password. And if you don't have a GitHub account, you first need to like learn what is Git and how to make a pull request. So I have got you covered on that one also. You can simply click on the next link on the description, and you will be taken to my repository. This year I am a part of the maintainers community. I am maintaining this repository for you to make your first pull request. And here I have mentioned the steps to do to in order to make a successful pull request to this repository, and I have put the links to the DigitalOcean GitHub tutorial, Git tutorial, Git cheat sheet, and the how to create a pull request. All the necessary documentations and videos you will find there in my repository. And you need to if you want to contribute to this repository, you need to first of all star this repository, then fork this to your cloud system, and then you can update. Like the instructions are given here, you can read them and follow them. And I hope to see you participate in this repository, and I'll be merging your requests if they are valid. I'll be merging your requests and adding them to the main branch. Okay. So happy hacking. Bye.